The first step is to open your iPhone settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. And then scroll down and click on the VPN and device management option. Here, if you've downloaded any beta profiles, you'll need to remove them. Enter your iPhone passcode and delete the profile. Once you're done, now, go to the main screen of settings. Once you are there, now, scroll down, and click on the General. And then click on the iPhone storage. Make sure no software update is currently downloading. If there is, delete it to proceed. Next, go to General again. Scroll down to the very end. And click on the Transfer and Reset. And select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. After resetting, then forget your Wi-Fi network under Wi-Fi settings. Turn Wi-Fi off, then back on, and reconnect to your network. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if your internet is working properly. Finally, go back to the main screen of the settings. Once you are there, again scroll down and click on the General. And then click on the software update to see if the error persists. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should no longer see the unable to check for update error on your iPhone.